So, Losar Tashidale.
Losar Tashidale.
So what an honor it is to be here for our first, but I do hope, annual celebration of the Tibetan New Year. It is really an honor to be here with people who can represent the culture and the traditions as beautifully and as powerfully as we just heard.
Truly a great honor to be invited to say a few words for the first time when the State Department is celebrating the Tibetan Losar, the New Year. And we are all grateful to Undersecretary, to you, for really making this happen.
Americans, and today is another very important day for us, especially Tibetan Americans, because the Office of Special Coordinator is hosting the first ever Tibetan Losar celebration here.
Notice how second nature to me. When it gets old, like at 24 hours, it turns sour.